Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So the error will state there was a problem with the clipboard and this will occur or you will encounter this kind of error while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First method is we can try to close any instances or processes of Microsoft Excel on our Windows. Now, before we can go closing any instances of Microsoft Excel is you need to make sure you have saved your work in the Microsoft Excel. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task MGR, which stands for Task Manager. Now simply click on that under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, type Excel. Simply make a right click and then you have to select the End Task option. Now after you have clicked on the End Task, that will completely close any Microsoft Excel processes on your Windows. And after that, you just need to open again Microsoft Excel, open your spreadsheet and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can restart the Microsoft Excel. Now how can we do that? While you are on your Microsoft Excel, make sure to save that. And then you have just to simply close this and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. In this way, you are restarting the Microsoft Excel, as simple as that. But in some cases, even if this is a simple fix, is that this can also fix the issue. And for the next method is we can also use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. Click on the File tab at the top left corner, then you have to select Open. You'll find the Browse option. Now choose your work or your spreadsheet. Click on this drop-down arrow next to Open. You'll find this option Open and Repair, and this small window will appear. Now you will find this repair option in this Microsoft Excel window. So you just have to simply click on this repair button and then wait for the process to be done and just simply try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method, we can also disable the Excel add-ins because sometimes add-ins can cause any errors. So click on the File tab again at the top left corner. Click on More and you have to select Options. Then you have to select this add-ins, then you'll find manage. Click on this drop down arrow and you have to choose the Excel add-ins, then click on this go option and then you'll find all the add-ins on your Microsoft Excel. So you just need to simply uncheck these boxes and you have to click on OK. Then for the next method is we can also disable the clipboard history. Like clear the clipboard history in our Windows. So we're just going to use the shortcut keys. Press the Windows key and letter V key together. Here you'll find the clear all option. Click on that. After you have cleared the clipboard history, just open your Microsoft Excel and open the spreadsheet and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.